Hello guys, today I'll show you how to find the component or tool that you draw out of Converse. This is our Converse. See here. Example, you drag this to somewhere accidentally here out of Converse and you don't know where it is, how to find it. Yeah. Also this. And you don't know where it is. Where? You don't know, you don't see in the inside the Converse. So to find it you come back here, image and reveal all. You see? Here, yeah, so you can drag it back. Yeah, or something like that. Okay, yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.